So we already saw that there are two types of spaces, right? One is called the positive space and one is called the negative space. Can someone tell me what is positive space and what is negative space?
The space where what furniture is kept there or what object is there is a positive space, and the space around object which is free or circulation space is a negative space.
Correct. Correct. But there is something called a psychological space. Psychological space is how you see this particular space. I might see this space in a different angle. So for me, it might be like, okay, this space is nice. But for you, you might think this space is empty. Am I right? So everybody has their own opinions, right? How you perceive that space. So for me, I find this space very clumsy. So I don't think they've organized it so well. So psychologically, I feel this is not going to give a good impact for the people who will be living in this space. Got it? So how you perceive also matters. How client perceives that particular space matters, right? So from now onwards, we will not be saying negative space. We will be saying circulation space. Okay, because we'll be using this space more often from now on. So circulation space is a space, as Madhuri said. So I am sitting here in this chair. So all the space around me is called circulation space. So I have few objects here. I have few objects here. I wanted to access them freely. So for that, I need, comfortable space for me to move around. That's called a circulation space. Okay, and if you look at the way they've arranged the furnitures generally in any space, so you will have objects and you have circulation space. So how it is balanced, that makes an impact that will affect your psychological view. You got it? These terms might be very huge for you, but once you start designing spaces, no, you will get used to it. Understood?